everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today I figured I would do a what I carry in my allergy bag video because, as most of you guys know, I do have food allergies as well as environmental allergies. I am allergic to peanuts, tree nuts, latex, bees, hornets, penicillin, and eggs. And I've been carrying this bag around for about 6 months now, and I figured I would show you guys what I keep in it. And as always, I will have as many of the products mentioned in this video listed down below for you guys. And if you guys have allergies as well, be sure to let me know what you keep in your allergy bag. And without further ado, let's get started. So right off the bat, this is just my allergy bag. It is really small, but I love it. It is one of the North Face Sprout backpacks, and it's meant for like a toddler for preschool. And I got this at Cabela's, and I absolutely love it. It is the perfect size for me, and it holds so much, which is why I got it. Starting off with the outside, I just have a hand sanitizer on the little North Face tag back here, and it is just a Purell hand sanitizer. And usually I have a water bottle and a snack, but today I don't. And for this backpack, there is a small front pocket, and then there is a bigger pocket. Also, there are little loops you could probably put like keychains on if you wanted to, or other things. And starting with this outside pocket, the first thing I have are these wipes. These are just the boogie wipes with saline, and they are in the grape scent. I got these because Babies R Us and Toys R Us are going out of business, and they had a huge sale, and these were only $1. And if you guys know, I'm obsessed with anything grape, and I like these saline wipes the best because if you have colder allergies and are constantly blowing your nose, these make it so much better because of the saline. They don't have to be used just for boogers or kids. I think they are great. And lastly, I have a pack of the Crest with Scope waterless toothbrushes. Moving into the big pocket, it is chock full with stuff, and you wouldn't think that it could hold this much, but it does. Right off the bat, I just have a Huggies wipe clutch. Again, I got this on sale because baby wipes come in handy so often, especially if you are someone like me who has food allergies, because you can wipe down surfaces, handles, and anything like that. And having them in this wipe clutch just makes them cuter. And I've also noticed that they don't dry up as fast in one of these. I have this clear bag right here full of a bunch of stuff. I have some Tylenol, some Purell. I have a mini Tide to Go pen, some Air Nasal Saline Gel. In the medicine syringe, there is a pair of mini clippers as well as mini tweezers, some Vaseline lip therapy. I have some Neosporin foaming gel, as well as some Benadryl cooling gel, as well as a pack of Tums. I also have my inhaler because I do also have asthma. For the inhaler, I am using just one of the Pro Air albuterol inhalers, and then I always use a spacer. And the last thing I have in the backpack is my actual mini allergy bag that I could like take out and just put in my backpack if I needed to. And what's also cool about this is that it actually has a little mesh pocket in the back that you could put an iPad in, which is what I usually do. So this cute little case is from Target, and it is just a first aid kit that you can fill up with first aid stuff. I, however, use it for allergy stuff. And this is just what it looks like right now. Over on the zippered side, I have some children's Benadryl. They are the Meltaways, because if you're someone like me who has severe food allergies to nuts and stuff, it is always important to have either liquid children's Benadryl or Meltaway children's Benadryl, because it gets in your system faster than an adult dose, and you just have to up your dose a few milligrams and it's fine. I also have a puke bag because you never know if you're gonna need it. And then on this side, in the back here, I have a little card that says everything I'm allergic to. It also has my date of birth, where I live, my emergency contacts, as well as my insurance information. I have some of these Kleenex wet wipes that also can be used to clean anything. I have a few packs of Advil and Tylenol over here, some Band-Aids, and then I have my actual EPI-PEN. Yes, my actual EPI-PEN fits in this right here. And these are my new EPI-PENs. I did stray away from the traditional EPI-PENs to the AUVI-Q ones that talk to you. I love these so much more, and I actually want to do a comparison between the two. So if you guys have any questions about the difference between AUVI-Q and EPI-PENs, be sure to leave them in the comments down below, because I will do a Q&A and comparison very shortly. And I love these so much. They are so small compared to these ones. This is the size difference. I also really like that these talk to you. This one is the trainer, and it talks to you and walks you through the entire process of doing the EPI-PEN, and so does the actual real one. This is nice for the simple fact that if you are with someone who doesn't know how to use an EPI-PEN, they can easily do it by getting walked through from this. Also, I like that these are small enough that you can just throw it in your pocket. They actually fit in a girl's jean front pocket, which is nice. And just to give you guys a little sneak peek,
this trainer contains no needle or drug and is for training purposes only.
It talks to you and it's really nice. So that is everything that I carry around in my allergy bag. This bag goes with me everywhere, and if the bag doesn't go with me, then at least the first aid kit portion of the bag does. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys have a favorite allergy bag that you've been using, let me know what brand it's by in the comments down below. Also, if I didn't include anything that you think I should include in my allergy bag, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, leave me your questions on the EPI-PEN versus AUVI-Q. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button to see new videos from me each week. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!